Well, first up, breaking news coming in at this point in time. War over the Aam Aadmi Party's logo is now, of course, unfurling. The man who designed Aam Aadmi Party's logo, Sunil Lal, claims he has rights over the logo. And revoking my intelligent property, the AAP logotype from AAP, Sunil Lal writes a letter to AAP convener, Arvind Kejriwal. So, well, clearly the churnings within the Aam Aadmi Party continue, be it, of course, members rebelling against the Aam Aadmi Party convener to now the man who had designed the Aam Aadmi Party logo. He has written a letter to Arvind Kejriwal asking him to return the logo. The logo, as you can see it, of course, on your television screens at this point in time. And also that famous broom, the Aam Aadmi Party's Jharu, remember, is also a part of that. Ankit Tyagi, our colleague who regularly tracks, of course, all the inside details of the Aam Aadmi Party, joins me now from the national capital. Ankit, what exactly has Sunil Lal mentioned in his letter?
Well, Sunil Lal, in fact, in his letter has said that he is delusioned by the way the party is going. He believes that the party has lost its path. Also has supported Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan in the questions that they have raised. In his letter, Sunil Lal has also said that because of these events and the way both of them were kicked out of the national executive, he feels pained and saddened, and that is why he does not want to associate with the party anymore. And hence, I've also asked the symbol and, in fact, the logo that he had designed for the Aam Aadmi Party to be given back to him.
But clearly, this is a matter which will perhaps be sorted out by the Election Commission, Ankit. So, should we believe that Sunil Lal will next be approaching the EC, or has he already approached the EC?
Well, as far as this election, this whole symbol and the logo is concerned, there's not much that Sunil Lal can do on that, even if he approaches the Election Commission. He was hired as in an individual capacity to design something for the party, and his services were taken. So it's not that he can ask it back if he feels that the party is not going according to the principles that it stood for. There is nothing much, legally that he can do about it. But yes, it will come as an embarrassment to the Aam Aadmi Party because just a day back, a person who 2 years back had given his Wagoner to Arvind Kejriwal, he had also asked his car back. So this will, of course, come as some sort of an embarrassment as far as the public perception is concerned.
Absolutely, Ankit. Stay with us. For viewers joining us now, we will just tell you, to re-inform you, in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party and its churnings continue, and the AAP logo, in fact, is now under controversy, with the man who designed that logo writing to, of course, Arvind Kejriwal, claiming that he has rights to that logo and that logo be returned. But Ankit, are there any initial reactions from the party yet, or are they viewing Sunil Lal as somebody who has now crossed over, perhaps, to what could now be perceived as the enemy camp?
Well, no major reaction as far as the party is concerned. I spoke to a few senior leaders. This is what they in fact said, that there is not much legally that Mr. Lal can do about the logo. It was not his individual design. The party has hired him, and many people have in fact contributed to it. So they are not, as of now, taking it very seriously. Party also saying that they already, as far as the people, according to them, the people know what the truth is. The government is working. Until the time we keep performing, all these things won't matter.
Well, thank you so much for getting us all those updates. Ankit Tyagi there, of course, pointing out that no initial reactions at the moment from the Aam Aadmi Party, but clearly as far as the logo is concerned, obviously there does not seem much that can be achieved even if Sunil Lal were to approach the Election Commission at this point in time. For now, of course, this definitely adding to further embarrassment for the Aam Aadmi Party.